Robot Robbie's roller skating day out, where experts help beginners. Once upon a time, in a colorful town filled with fun and laughter, there was a lively roller skating rink called the Rolling Rainbow. This rink was the most exciting place to be, especially on a sunny Saturday afternoon. Everyone in town loved to visit and zoom around on their roller skates, and the rink was always filled with music, giggles, and cheers. One day, Robot Robbie decided to take his friends for a fun day out at the Rolling Rainbow. Robot Robbie was a shiny, silver robot with bright blue eyes that twinkled whenever he smiled. He was an expert roller skater and could glide across the rink like a breeze. He loved to spin, twirl, and dance on his skates, and everyone admired how effortlessly he moved. Robbie's best friend, Rain, was also an expert skater. Rain wasn't just any ordinary rain, but a magical rain who could skate in the air. When Rain arrived at the rink, tiny droplets would float around in the air, making everything feel fresh and cool. Rain loved to swirl around Robbie, and together, they made a fantastic team. Today, Robbie and Rain had invited two special friends who had never been roller skating before, Ruby the Rose and Ralph the Rat. Ruby was a beautiful red rose with soft petals that shimmered in the sunlight, and Ralph was a little gray rat with a big heart and a tiny pair of roller skates. Both Ruby and Ralph were excited, but also a little nervous about skating for the first time. "Don't worry, Ruby and Ralph," said Robot Robbie with a friendly smile. "We'll teach you how to skate, and we'll have so much fun together." Rain nodded in agreement, her droplets forming a cheerful pattern in the air. "Yes. Just take it one step at a time, and remember, we're here to help you." Ruby the Rose wobbled a bit on her skates, trying to find her balance. "Oh, I'm not sure about this," she said, her petals fluttering with a mix of excitement and nerves. "What if I fall?" Ralph the Rat was a bit more eager, but his little legs shook as he tried to stand on his skates. "I can't wait to zoom around like you guys." "But what if I can't do it?" Robot Robbie chuckled softly. "It's okay to feel nervous. Everyone starts somewhere. And guess what? Rain and I were once beginners too." Rain nodded, gently spinning around Ruby and Ralph to show them it was all about having fun. "That's right. Let's start with some basics. Just focus on keeping your balance first." The rink was bustling with skaters of all ages, zipping around, laughing, and having a great time. Robot Robbie and Rain took Ruby and Ralph to a quieter corner of the rink where they could practice without too much distraction. "All right, Ruby," Robbie said, holding out his metallic hand. "Let's take it slow. Just glide 1 foot at a time." Ruby took a deep breath, feeling reassured by Robbie's calm voice. She carefully pushed off with one skate, then the other, trying to keep her petals from fluttering too much. She wobbled but managed to move forward just a bit. "Great job!" Rain cheered, sending a tiny splash of magical droplets around Ruby to encourage her. "Keep going. You're doing amazing." Ralph watched and decided to give it a try too. "If Ruby can do it, so can I," he squeaked, pushing off with all his might. But his tiny legs got tangled, and he ended up on his bottom with a little thud. "Ouch!" Ralph said, rubbing his head with his paw. He looked up at Robbie and Rain with a mix of embarrassment and determination. Robbie bent down to Ralph's level, smiling kindly. "It's okay, Ralph. Falling is part of learning. The important thing is to get back up and try again." Rain hovered above Ralph, gently helping him to his feet. "That's right. And remember, we're here to help. Just take it slow and steady." Ralph nodded, taking a deep breath. "Okay, let's try this again." The two beginners kept practicing, taking slow, careful steps with Robbie and Rain guiding them. They stumbled and wobbled, and there were a few more falls, but each time they fell, they laughed it off, got back up, and tried again. After a while, Ruby started to get the hang of it. Her petals glowed with joy as she glided smoothly across the rink. "Look at me," she exclaimed. "I'm doing it." Robbie clapped his hands with delight. "That's fantastic, Ruby. You're doing great." Not wanting to be left behind, Ralph focused harder than ever. He pushed off carefully, his little legs steadying as he found his balance. He started to glide, slowly at first, then a bit faster, his tail swishing happily behind him. "I'm skating. I'm really skating." Ralph cheered, his face beaming with pride. Rain floated around both of them, clapping her droplets together in excitement. "You both are doing amazing. I knew you could do it." The four friends spent the rest of the afternoon skating around the rolling rainbow. Ruby and Ralph grew more confident with each lap they took, and soon, they were skating side by side with Robbie and Rain, laughing and enjoying every moment. As the sun began to set, casting a warm, golden glow over the rink, the friends sat down on a bench to rest. They were tired but incredibly happy. "Thank you so much for teaching us," Ruby said, her petals still glowing with joy. "Yeah, thanks," Ralph added, munching on a piece of cheese he had brought as a snack. "You guys are the best teachers ever." Robbie smiled, his eyes twinkling. "You're welcome, Ruby and Ralph. You both did an amazing job today. Remember, it's okay to be a beginner. Everyone starts somewhere, and with a little help from friends, you can learn anything." Rain nodded, adding, "And don't forget, it's all about having fun and enjoying the journey." Ruby and Ralph nodded, understanding the lesson they had learned. They realized that it was okay to need help when trying something new, and that with patience and practice, they could achieve anything they set their minds to. And so, the friends left the rolling rainbow with big smiles on their faces, ready for more adventures and new things to learn together.